This is Khalid Iqbal speaking from Dallas, Texas. The caption of today vlog is the ways, means and possibilities through which one can come into United States of America. I will deal all of them but one by one. To start with, very popular methodology available to overseas people is to apply as a student. Since American universities rank at the top of the world, there is a huge craze and people are coming in order to enhance their level of education into United States of America. Therefore, those youngsters, those ambitious students, if they have a good record of their performance in their educational fields, they should apply for admissions into any university which are scattered all over 50 states. They need to attach all the relevant certificates plus the equivalency of from their respective university. Definitely, they would be responded by the American university. Reason being, it is equally mandatory for these universities to have as much foreign student as possible in a particular sections because they are going to evaluate it at the end of the year at how many students each university has got. Therefore, please don't accept invitation immediately. You need to negotiate with the dean, with the management, with the head of the faculty that how much financial assistance you can have, what type of scholarship you can have, permission to work inside the campus, and etc., etc. So this is number one methodology through which most of the students from all over the world are already residing, and fortunately after finishing their education they get the chance to get employed in American markets. After Corona, there is a huge demand of youngsters who are PhD, who are master degree holder, who are bachelor degree holder, and there are more chances that you will get employed here. And then it would be the responsibility of your employer to apply your green card, provided you work hard, you keep him happy, you deliver, and you found up to the mark. Number two, fancy visa. If your dear and near ones, they are living in America and you plan to marry with your spouse, this visa takes only 9 months time and very respectable. Within a short period of time, you land in America as a green card holder. Number three, business visa. If you are a strong one, you have a good balance, you have a huge property, so it is high time you need to invest in America. This amount which you will invest in America gets multiplied because of the very conducive atmosphere in America. And for those people who have got visit visa, it is only $50,000 requirement minimum. But those who don't have visit visa, for them it needs $100,000 requirement. But it is not that simple. You need to follow certain procedure, certain channels, and it takes 1 year time to land into America. Number three, sponsorship scheme. If your dear and near ones, they are living in America, they can apply you. Nowadays, this scheme is getting very much popular. Majority of the people which are living in America, in the United States, they came through this methodology. So please ask your relatives, your near and dear ones, that they should apply. This is called sponsorship scheme. And lastly, visit visa. You are fond of sightseeing, you have got ample bank balance, and you have visited most part of the world, and those visas are already stamped in your passport. You definitely, they will allow you to come to United States of America for a certain period of time. And then you can go back after finishing your excursion, after finishing your trip. You can come on individual capacity or along with the family or with the troops, with the friends. You need to go to the consular office and tell them that you are interested to see the excursion sites in America. There are sites which are very much famous worldwide. I hope I have dealt all these things briefly, but if some further information is needed, I am available to help you, to guide you further. Please call me at my number or you can email me all your letters. I will be willing to reply them on individual basis. Thank you very much.